Hi, I'm James Bausch, and I'm a local broker here in northern Indiana. If you're in the process of searching for a home in our lakes region, you may not know that we have over 100 beautiful natural lakes right here in the county. We're taking a few moments today to share a little bit of information about some of the lakes in our community, and today we're talking about Tippecanoe Lake, better known locally as simply Tippy. Located in Leesburg, Indiana, between State Road 15 and State Road 13, Tippy is 786 acres. While it averages 37 feet in depth, it reaches 122 feet in some places, making it the deepest natural lake in the entire state of Indiana. It's connected to Oswego and Lake James and Grassy Creek, which can handle smaller watercraft connecting to Tippy to the Barbie chain of lakes. Tippecanoe Lake is a recreational lake used for boating, skiing, and fishing. It's surrounded by residential homes, vacation rentals, and is also home to the exclusive Tippecanoe Lake Country Club, which features a golf course and community pool for its members. There are several boat ramps and 2 full-service marinas right on the lake, with boat rentals and boat slips available for rent. For those interested in fishing, Tippy is known for its bluegill, catfish, black crappie, largemouth bass, northern pike, rock bass, yellow perch, and of course, muskie. Over the past several years, the selling prices of homes on the water have averaged $766,000, while the median selling price has been $645,000. Whether you fish, ski, want to float out to the sandbar for a relaxing day on the water, take in the magnificent 4th of July fireworks show, or camp out at the Patona Bay campground, you will love this beautiful lake. Whatever you're searching for, the James Bausch Team is here to introduce you to what our local lakes have to offer. Contact us today for more information.